we had a successful weekend at my cousin's 21st with their 3D printed costumes and the tank troopers. As you can see, it took about 100 hours to print. Just wait for this to finish.
We thank you for choosing to fly with Virgin Australia today and trust you will have a pleasant flight.
It took about 100 hours to print everything, and then probably 5 hours to sand and then paint the rest of the stuff, the armour and everything put together. There would probably be about 6 kilograms of PLA in there from eSun. That took a long time to print. No failures, thank goodness, until the day before I was about to leave. My 2 small printers decided to fail, but I had the majority of the prints done. So that was good to bring it up here and really show it off the first time. I reckon I'll do some more painting before we watch it. We have it for the December screening of Star Wars at the end. We just landed at Brisbane Airport and we made a costume. And Laura's been waiting for me. I'll tell you about the costume later. Here she is. Hello. How's reading? It's good. I'm going to pick up the car now. That's all I have to say. It's a long flight.
Queensy.
See you later. Currently sitting in Brisbane Airport waiting for my flight to leave in about 40 minutes. I'm going to go get some Red Rooster and eat up the plane. There's nothing better than eating some hot food on the plane, I reckon. I used to do lollies at the start, but I found that hot food is just, you open up and the whole plane smells like Red Rooster or McDonald's while you're sitting there. There's nothing better than that on the plane. But yeah, really awesome weekend. Really pumped that it turned out how it did. And we'll pick some costumes up, give me one painting for the December Star Wars screening. Thanks. Catch you then.